Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today I am going to give you 4 really quick tips on how to care for your hair under your Give Me a Break style. So a Give Me a Break style, y'all, is a wig. Woo! So I call it a Give Me a Break style because I've just been honest with myself. I always say things such as, oh, I'm giving my hair a break from the combing and the grooming. And yes, that is true. But if I'm keeping it real with myself, I'm really just giving myself a break because I don't feel like combing. I don't feel like doing all that. I just want to slap a wig on and keep it moving. But even if you do that, you still have to care for your natural hair underneath your Give Me a Break or your wig. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The first thing that you're going to do is take it off. So in other words, take that bad boy off as soon as you get home. When you are wearing a wig all the time, 24/7, it can put tension on your hairline. So you know that I'm a trichologist, y'all. So I've seen so many thin edges from people who constantly wear wigs all the time. So if you're not wearing your wig properly, and if you're wearing it too much, you can get what's called traction alopecia, just from the band sitting on your already fragile hairline. So that is tip number 1. Take off your wig as soon as you get home. And since I'm home, guess what it's time to do? It's time to take this bad boy off. So let me do that. All right, here we go. Y'all know I keep it real. Whoo, child. This thing feels so good when it's not on my head. So yes, this is the first thing that I do. I take it off when I get home. So let me put it over here. Actually, let me throw it on the floor. Let me be extra. Whoo, child. This feels good. So, number 2, make sure underneath your wig, make sure your hair is cornrowed or twisted or flat twisted. Make sure your hair is not out, right? Because if you're wearing a wig, then if your natural hair is out, that's going to cause friction. So don't even slap it back in a ponytail. Put it in big chunky twists or braids or flat twists just to keep your hair protected underneath the wig. Otherwise, you can end up breaking your hair off from wearing a wig. So make sure your hair is twisted up and braided up. Make sure that you are wearing a wig cap underneath your wig too. If you're wearing a wig, or if you are giving your hair a break or giving yourself a break, then you don't want to wear this wig, and when you come out of the wig, then you have more hair damage. No, that doesn't make sense. So do everything that you can do to protect your hair underneath the wig, and that includes wearing a wig cap. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do, you want to keep your hair moisturized under the wig. So just because you're wearing a wig, that doesn't mean neglect your hair. When your hair is braided or cornrowed, this is the best time to keep your hair hydrated underneath the wig. So what you can do is use a leave-in conditioner, a spray leave-in conditioner. This is the Curl House Hair Nourishing Conditioner. Each day, I take this spray and I just spray it all over my hair. That's it. I just keep it moisturized. I just give it a mist each day to keep it hydrated because your hair can get super dry underneath your wig. So spray a leave-in conditioner on your hair daily to keep it hydrated. The last thing that you want to do, you want to consider your scalp. So again, just because you're not doing anything to your hair, that doesn't mean you neglect your scalp. You all know that healthy hair starts with the healthy scalp. Now, while you're in a wig, of course, you're not going to wash your hair with shampoo, but you can clarify your scalp. And this is really, how often you do it is really contingent upon how long you keep your hair in braids or how long you wear the wig. I don't wear the wig for no more than a week or maybe 2 weeks. So I don't have to do a lot to my scalp because I'm going to wash my hair, but you can use 2 products on your scalp to clarify, which means to cleanse. One thing that you can do, you can take apple cider vinegar, mix it with water, and spray it on your scalp. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent clarifier, and it will help to keep that scalp cleansed underneath the wig. Or you can use lavender hydrosol or lemongrass hydrosol. Spray that on your scalp a few times a week. That's going to help keep your hair cleansed, keep your scalp cleansed as well. And the very last thing that you need to do, and why I really like wearing a wig, is because I use the follicle stimulating growth drops on my scalp. Some of you may put something else on your scalp. You may put oil on your scalp, but I use these for hair growth. And I take the follicle stimulating growth drops and I apply them to my scalp, and guess what? They can go directly onto my scalp. I don't have to battle with so many styling products that's in my hair. So if you're using something for hair growth, to stimulate hair growth, like I'm using these follicle stimulating growth drops for, then sometimes it's just easier and you get the best results when your scalp is free of styling products. You don't have to compete with the styling products. So that's another reason I like to just cornrow my hair so I can access my scalp pretty quickly. Okay, y'all, I wanted to pop in and just give you a few tips on how you can maintain the health of your hair and scalp while you are in your Give Me a Break style. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss a video. And if you are someone who is looking for some help on how to grow your hair out using a lifestyle approach, I encourage you to sign up for my wait list for my health and hair program that's starting this spring. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.